that down there is where I fell. It's still beautiful, way later in the day, and it is now a week later, so I can again move this arm, but it is partially immobilized, so I don't move it too far. Let me show you where I actually slipped down. For whatever reason, I thought it would be good to use that to climb down there. Yeah, so I had climbed halfway back up after sliding down halfway with a dislocated shoulder, walked this way with my arm sticking up, kind of like it's holding this camera, put my camera here, and then got my arm back in place. Got my camera put away, and as I was recording, it popped back out. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh, fuck me! And yes, back to the scene of the accident. Going down, looks so different today. I was hoping to see it flowing, but it's not. I still don't know why I thought it was a good idea to slide down that. It wasn't.
What were you thinking?
No idea. That wasn't. I'm back to the car now, jiggity jig. Let's go see if we can shoot some more photos someplace of something interesting. It's after rain, so there's got to be at least one waterfall someplace. In the last 5 or 10 minutes that we've been standing here, it has gotten cloudy, it has gotten clear. Let me show you the time lapse. Well, I was going to pick up the time lapse, but it's changing again. So I got to show you over this hill over here. This is going to be real time how these are coming up over the hill. I think we've been out here probably 10 or 15 minutes now, and everything has changed. I've got so many different photos of the clouds. It's crazy. All right, my original goal was to come out and find a waterfall, so we're gonna go that way. We're gonna head up Stunt, and we're gonna go to Payuma, and then Shuren. One waterfall, that's all I want today. Hopefully we get it. I know where I'm gonna look. Let's go. No stop would be complete without Ringe Dam, but man, look at how it's flowing. Really strange, but it seems like this side of the mountain didn't get quite as much rain. It hasn't flowed through the rocks as much. I don't know. And I started to go up the trail and I thought, I really don't want to do that. So I'm back down, and this is going to be the end of it. I want to say thank you very much for watching. Have a fantastic day, man. Hit that subscribe button. Please share it with somebody. I enjoy being out taking photos. I can't ride my bicycle through all these hills that I love so much, at least not till the end of the month, when my dislocated shoulder should be fully healed, and then I can climb stupid things like that again. That's it, man. Again, thank you. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you guys out on the road. If you see me out taking photos, please stop and say hi. Just don't run me over. We'll see you guys. I'm going to leave you with this waterfall, even though you can't hear it. It's very small.